Karmadharaya Samasa. The Karmadharaya Samasa means there is a Samasa which will be having a Visheshana with this. Okay. Already I have explained what is Visheshana and what is Vishesha in last class. We have seen no in last class. Therefore, directly I have to tell now the Visheshana, the Karmadharaya Samasa, what it is. Okay. Karmadharaya Samasa, this pattern will be same like, it will look like this one, Dvandva Samasa, but it is not. Because in Dvandva Samasa we are adding only cha, but here we are adding cha asau. Okay. Cha asau we will be adding. And how it is shown, Visheshana, Visheshya, the list of Visheshana, Visheshyas are shown here. Okay. Those way only we have to go on the things. Okay. All these can be Karmadharaya Samasa. Sankhya, it is added, can be Karmadharaya. Then you may ask, what about the Dvigu Samasa? Dvigu Samasa, when Sankhya is added, still it is in Ekavachana. Then only it will be Dvigu. Like Panchavati I am telling. Pancha, 5 I am telling, still I am making, it is Ekavachana, Panchavati. Then I have to make Panchanam, Vatanam, Samaharaha. That will become Dvigu. And same way, Trifalam I am telling. Then Triphala, 3 things are there, still I am using Ekavachana. Then I have to make Trayanam, Phalanam, Samaharaha. Okay. Same way, I am using Tridosham. I am not telling Tridoshaha, I am telling Tridosham. Then it will become Trayanam, Doshanam, Samaharaha. Tridosham. Like that, when Bahuvachana is not used, Ekavachana is used, when number is also there, then it will become which one? The Dvigu Samasa. Now, here, when Sankhya is used as a Visheshana, as an adjective, then it will become Karmadharaya. We will not have to think about so much about numbers, because numbers you may not get so many questions. Gunas, all the gunas will be Visheshanas. Therefore, all the explanations which are given, those all will become Visheshana, and there we can have this Samasa. Okay. Example, Mahan Vrikshaha, Mahavrikshaha. I think we have discussed this last class. No. Okay. I think only Visheshana Visheshya we have discussed, not the Karmadharaya Samasa, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Sundaraha Balakaha is a common sentence. Sundaraha Balakaha is a common sentence. To make it Vigraha Vakya, to show that there is a Samasa, I have to add cha and asau. Sundaraha cha asau balakaha cha. Andre artha enu? Ivanu sundaranu haudu, balakanu haudu andang. He is beautiful also and he is boy also. It will give that meaning when we are adding this asau. If asau is not needed, it will become beautiful and boy. It will be separate. They are not same. When only cha is used, they will be not same. They will be separate entities. ಅವೆರಡು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಸ್ತುಗಳೇ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಅಸೌ ಅಂತ ಸೇರಿಸಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅರ್ಥ? ಚ ಅಸೌ. ಅವನು ಸುಂದರನೂ ಹೌದು, ಬಾಲಕನೂ ಹೌದು ಅಂದಂಗೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆ ತರ ಅರ್ಥ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. He is beautiful also, he is boy also. Both he is only. In that meaning it will be used. One is Visheshana and another is Visheshya. One is explaining that noun and another will be noun. Okay. In these situations, it is called as Karmadharaya Samasa. Okay. Mahan Vrikshaha, Mahavrikshaha. Mahan Vrikshaha, Mahavrikshaha. Here, Mahan, these words which are there, Mahan and other word, Mahan word, only remaining will be Maha. Okay. Remaining is only Maha. Because that is a rule. Maha will be, therefore, Mahan Vrikshaha, Mahati Chaya, Mahat Phalam. Like this, Pullinga, Strilinga, Napusakalinga differences will happen. But in the Samasa, it will be remaining Maha only. Maha Vrikshaha, it will become. How to divide that? We have to divide is Mahan Vrikshaha. Nakara we have to add because it is Takaranta Shabda, Mahat Shabda. In Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana, it will become Mahan. In Strilinga, it will become Mahati. In Napusakalinga, it will remain as Mahat. Okay. Brihati Chaya, Brihat Chaya. Brihati cha asau chaya cha will be the Karmadharaya Samasa. Mahan cha asau vrikshaha cha. I have to make here Mahan cha asau vrikshaha cha. Then it will become Karmadhara. Brihati cha asau chaya cha. Brihati chaya. Shreshtham cha asau. Okay. Pustakam cha. Shrestha Pustakam. Like this, these all will become Visheshana Visheshya and Karmadharaya Samasa. Same way, we can have some more examples. Krishna hacha asau sarpa hacha. The snake is in which color? In black color. Therefore, it is Krishna sarpa. Gambhira hacha asau nada hacha. The sound, how it is? Very heavy. Therefore, Gambhira nadaha. Ramaniya cha asau srishtihi cha. How the srishti is? It's very beautiful. Therefore, Ramaniya srishtihi. Svecham cha tat vastram cha. In Napusakalinga, it will become tat. In Pullinga and Strilinga, it will become asau. Don't have to worry that much. We have to remember only asau commonly. Because Strilinga and Napusakalinga will be very rarely asau. Okay. Shvetam cha tat vastram cha. Shveta vastram. Shvetavada vastra. Like this, when there are adjectives, those adjectives will be joining with the nouns and they will be creating the Karmadharaya Samasa. Clear? Okay. Same way, then we have to see how to divide this one. Some other also can be. I will just show them. Okay. Visheshana Visheshya. And sometimes same both will be Visheshanas. That can be there. Shitoshnam will be there for you. There also we have to make Visheshana Ubhaya Pada Tatpurusha, this Karmadharaya Samasa. Shitam cha Ushnam cha. Shitam cha tat Ushnam cha Shitoshnam. Okay. Or we can make Shitam cha Ushnam cha Tayoho Samaharaha Shitoshnam. We can make Dvandva also in your level. No problem. Okay. Therefore, we don't have to worry that much now about that. We will see this one. Megha iva shyamaha means the black like Megha. Meghadante shyamanagiruva. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಪಮಾನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. We are comparing between two things. That time we'll be using iva, eva, these all the things. That also can be Karmadharaya only because we are comparing both of them. One is explaining another thing. Therefore, that will be also Karmadharaya. Like if in your text also somewhere it may come. Okay. It is comparing in between two things. There also it can be Karmadharaya Samasa. Iva or eva will be used there. Okay. Dukkhagni, dukkham eva agnihi. Okay. Sometimes these words will be used. Next, when we are using the one jati is there, means one thing is there. For that we are making upavibhaga of that. ಒಂದರದ್ದು ಉಪ ಭೇದಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಕರ್ಮಧಾರಯ ಸಮಾಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಆಮ್ರ ವೃಕ್ಷ, ಮಾವಿನ ಮರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾವು ಎಂಬ ಮರ ಅಂತ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ದಂಗೆ. ಆಮ್ರಹ ಇತಿ ವೃಕ್ಷ ಆರ್ ಆಮ್ರಹ ನಾಮ ವೃಕ್ಷ. ಓಕೆ. ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ, ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ ಇತಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ. ಈ ತರದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ this one. Iti will be added. In between iti will be there. Then it is can be the Karmadharaya Samasa. But these are very rare, this one. First thing we have to remember, when Visheshana is there, when adjectives are there, you have to use Karmadharaya Samasa. How to divide them? We have to add cha asau. You have to add. That is the common thing. Okay. If we try here, Maharajah, how to divide? Mahan cha asau raja cha. It will become Maharajah. Okay. Mahan cha asau raja cha. Okay. Then it will become Maharajah. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Something setting is mistaken here. Okay. Let it be. Maharajah. How to divide? Mahan cha asau rajah cha. Mahan we have to use. Mahan cha asau rajah cha. Maharaja. Nilotpalam. Neelam cha asau. Napumsakalinga we have to make tat. Therefore, Neelam cha tat utpalam cha. Neelotpalam. Mahakavyam. It will become Mahat cha asau kavyam cha. Mahakavyam. Like this, we have to go on practicing. Okay. Any doubts? Visheshana, Visheshya should be there. Better, I will not take more time here. I will take more time in the shlokas only. When in shlokas we will get Karmadharaya Samasa. How it will become Karmadharaya, I will explain it. That will be more, I think, will reach you fast than here giving some other examples. Isn't it? Okay. The last samasa we have to see is called as Bahuvrihi. Bahuvrihi means it is Anya Pada Pradhana. Today we have learnt which are the samasas. One we have learnt the Tatpurusha, that is Vibhakti Tatpurusha, and we have learnt Karmadharaya. Vibhakti Tatpurusha means it will be adding of different vibhaktis. No other samasas is added with different vibhaktis, but there different vibhaktis to padas are added. The first pada will be having Dvitiya to Saptami different vibhaktis, and second pada will be in Prathama vibhakti only while adding. Afterwards, vibhaktis can join, but while adding, it will be in Prathama vibhakti. Okay. And next, what we have there in Vibhakti, we have to remember others, all Vibhaktis are having list of words which will be making those samasas. Like for Dvitiya Vibhakti, we have Shrita, Atita, Gata, like this some words. For Tritiya, we have Samana, okay, like these some of the words. For Chaturthi, we have the words like Hita, Sukha, Bali, these all the words. For Panchami, we have Bhaya, Agata, these all the Mukta, these three. For Saptami, we have the words which will be giving the meaning of Kushala, those all words. Leaving these all, any other words are there, and we want to make Tatpurusha Samasa, then we have to use Shashti Vibhakti. Okay. Then coming for second one, that is Karmadharaya Samasa. Karmadharaya means Visheshana Visheshya. The adjectives as well as nouns will be joining here. What all the Visheshanas we have learnt last class? Visheshanas means that can be anything which is explaining the noun. That can be Visheshana. And those Visheshanas will be having same linga, vibhakti and vachana. Linga will be same, vibhakti will be same, and vachana will be same. Therefore, we can easily identify these Visheshanas. Visheshana is one more topic which is asked in the MCQs as well as in the fill in the blanks or in sentence making. Sometimes Visheshana will be asked. Therefore, we have detailedly learned last class about Visheshana. Those Visheshanas will, when they are joining and making samasa, they will create Karmadharaya Samasa. There what we have to use? We have to use cha and asau in between the Visheshana and noun, adjective and noun. Example is Maharaja is there. Mahan cha asau Raja cha. Maharaja. Maha is a Visheshana and Raja is a noun. We are adding those four. This is called as Karmadharaya Samasa. And next is Bahuvrihi Samasa. In next class, we will see Bahuvrihi Samasa and then we will go to the uh, syllabus discussion. Each topic, which type of questions will be there, how it should be answered. Those things we'll see. And then we will go to the question paper discussion, where each question, how the question will be, and which type we have to write the answers. Those things we'll discuss. Okay. Anything else? Next class we'll see the Bahuvrihi Samas. Ast. Dhanyavada.